Cooking again. I got the stainless out this time. We'll do fast chop, taking the stems off. Aunt Noggin. Alright, what we're going to do now, some olive oil. And I'm not using all these mushrooms, but I'm going to cook them all. So, we'll cook these down. And there they go. We'll come back. Alright, well that's cooking. Zucchini. Oop. There we go, that's coming along now. In goes the zucchini. Why am I using zucchini? Because I bought zucchini and I like zucchini. I'll keep that going. Now we got the red onion. Gonna cut off a bit of it. That's enough. Put the rest back. Peel it off. Chop that down a little bit. Okay, in goes the onion. There'll be more. We'll let that keep cooking a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to take out some of the mushrooms because I'm going to use them for something else later. And a little bit of the onion out. Alright. The rest of this will keep going. Alright. That's a little bit of that London broil left. Well, a lot of the London broil left. We'll chop it up. This knife could use a little bit of sharpening to get through this really cold London broil. I just ate some of it. It's great. Alright, now I'm going to just cut it down. I won't make you watch it all. I'm going to cut it down in small bite-sized pieces, and it's going in. Let's stir this up a little bit. Keep going. That's enough. Turn it down low. I'm going to save the rest of this in with the other mushrooms. Just because there's just so much. I got a little bit of that hot marinade spice in there. And put some of that in with it too. Bring it back to life. Oh, it's coming along. It's pretty much there. But I'm using lettuce. I got this bag of lettuce, but I should have taken it out of the refrigerator earlier. It's almost frozen. So it'll be interesting. I'm making burritos. So what I do is I put that over the top just for a minute maybe, just to let them soften and warm up. And then we'll start making a burrito. Alright, I think that's hot. That's hot. That did the job. I can turn this off now. I'm probably just going to eat this here. I got King Kong playing in the background. So we got some very cold lettuce that's going in there. Got a little crunch. It's got some radishes in there. That's a lot. Put that in. So we got leftover London broil. We got mushrooms. We got zucchini. And we got onion in there. That's going to be a good one. We got some cheese here. Do a flyover. Doesn't that look good? Yeah. Now the cheese. Not a lot of cheese, just a little bit of cheese. Alright, and I gotta put a little sriracha on there. Alright, let me shut this movie up. I'm gonna eat it right here. Oh, that's a good one. Look at there. Look at there. I think that's a great use of leftover London broil. Alright, YouTubers. Pretty simple, like everything I do. It's really simple. Just a few ingredients, and you got yourself a decent meal. I'll be making a few more of these, but you don't need to see that. But you can do this. You can eat semi-decent. Probably not the healthiest in the world, but you can eat semi-decent. And you'll have a great and wonderful day.